We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel. Today I will unbox this CUBOT King Kong 6 and we'll together see what accessories and items this rugged smartphone comes with. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So in the beginning I have to peel this protective film off, which I need to help myself with using this handy dandy knife that I have. That also branded, as you can see, very beautiful device. Now I guess I can take this film with no effort. Yep. So here you go. Next, let's open the box itself. And here's the start of the evening. That is the CUBOT King Kong 6. It feels pretty light. Here we can see the specifications of this phone. So it comes with 6-inch HD plus display, the water drop screen, T310 CPU, main camera 60 megapixels, front camera 8 megapixels, 5000 milliampere hours of battery, 5 volts. I think I forgot how this letter should be transcribed, so I mean spelled, so I do apologize. 2 ampere fast charge and Type-C. Yeah, volt, probably it's volts. And well powered by Android, as you would expect. So here is the phone itself. Let me show you this device from all its angles, so you can see what ports and well what interfaces and buttons it has. Let's quickly check, or actually, yep, it's a Type-C charging port, as we have already discovered. Here you get this little thank you card, and well, it also says that this device has the undetachable battery, but that's to be expected. Let's continue checking what accessories it comes with. So this little smartphone actually comes with a charging brick, which is nice, the Type-A charging brick, as well as well the charging wire itself. And what is pretty rare these days is that it also includes the earphones, which look suspiciously like AirPods, but that's fine, I guess. So those are the accessory you get, and by more modern standards, the accessories are pretty great, if you ask me. And here you also get the SIM injection tool and the paperwork, such as declaration of conformity if you'll ever need it, and quick start guide. And well, as far as this little device goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions regarding this device or regarding its accessories, make sure to use the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.